OISH, or Oz International Students Hub. It's a community for international students and by international students. So the aim is really to bring international students in New South Wales together for everyone to feel welcomed, to have the support that they need, and to get the justice that they deserve while they're here in Sydney. OISH helps support international students, mainly by listening. We use community organizing tools by building relationships, first and foremost, with international students. We try to reach out to them. We listen to their needs, listen to their priorities, and from that we organize with them some initiatives that are actually really relevant to what they're experiencing at the moment.
So Oz International Student Hub started during the pandemic, the first lockdown, when Sydney Community Forum started to receive a lot of calls from international students in need of support. The decision was to pause the project and focus on international students.
Sydney Community Forum has always understood that it can't change the world alone, and one of our pillars is social inclusion, and inclusion requires strong collaborative relationships built on trust and a common purpose. And so the work with the international students was no different from that. It just was more urgent and is more urgent because they don't have a safety net here. I came here as an international student, to be quite honest. I spent the first 3 months just feeling like I was wading and keeping my head above water. I was getting used to a new school system. I'd lost my whole friendship network. I was homesick. I really needed to have information drip-fed to me. And I needed to create some strong linkages to people that I felt I could trust and that cared about me, genuinely cared about me, so that I could take my time going, I'm really struggling with this. I'm really not doing very well on this issue, and I don't know what to do about this. And that requires trust, because you're also looking at the cultural differences. You're looking at a lot at stake when you come here from another country. International students, if they're to thrive here and international students continue to come here and we recover from the pandemic, then we need to all work together.